Charles Schwab offers mostly low-cost investing with no commission on stock and ETF trades, but some services still have fees. Charles Schwab features zero commission online stock, ETF, and options trades, plus a 65 options contract fee. The standard account has a zero minimum and zero platform fees. For advisory services, Intelligent Portfolios requires $5,000 with a 0.28% annual fee, and Private Client requires other minimum with a 85% annual fee. Other key charges include 95 for OTC stocks up to 45, 0 for certain mutual funds, $1.05 per bond, a 50, 0 can transfer out fee, 25, 0 for broker assistance, and a 49. 95 short-term mutual fund redemption fee. Reddit users say Schwab offers consistently excellent service across support, trading, and overall experience, though opinions vary among users. Overall, it's best for reliable and high-quality brokerage service. Overall, it's very affordable for most investors, with a few standard fees and advanced services. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.